Another technology that I haven't used a lot, I've heard a lot about, is Khan Academy. As you can see, I only have one class in right now and I don't have any students, but I've messed around with a little bit. You can go in and create your own class. You can add students. It's real simple. Invite Google Classroom, which I'm already using. Um, and so you can go in and then add um, different things for these classes. We have a class code right here that we could also share that with our students so that way they can get on here and get it. And something that I really like is you can actually, when you create your account, it asks you what classes you teach, and so that way it can give you suggestions on what exactly they think you would be able to utilize the best. Something I really like as I've looked through it is going through here and you can see the different class types that you have. Being a biology teacher, I'm going to go in and look at this. And something that's really awesome is you have all the different courses of it that we go through. So if we look at something like photosynthesis, you can go in and go intro to photosynthesis, and it allows you to have the students go through these so they have a little bit extra um, they have a better opportunity to actually retain this information. And I think that this would be something that um, gives the students, it's like a game. As you can see, we have different levels that you can go through up here. And also it gives them that gaming type feel, but it also helps differentiate the instruction. And um, as something that our principals really want us to push is differentiation within our classes. And we talked about that a lot last week as he sat down with me as we were going over a few things, especially being a first year teacher. He's wanting me to try these different things out. And so I think that's where this is going to be a big help to me. And um, looking at this, I think I'm going to start using it quite a bit for my biology classes. And if I can find stuff that is going to help me with some of my other classes, I'm going to definitely do that as well. Um, the two standards that I think that this aligns with is for education leaders is 2E. Different educators within the school have actually told me about Khan Academy. I heard a lot about it. Haven't really done much with it though. And then the second one is 5C, using tech to support both personal and professional growth. Um, and I think that we could also use this as educators, so that way we can stay well versed in the different topics that we're actually teaching. And so that way it helps us be ready for some of the questions that we're going to get. And to create this, it's really easy. You just go in and when you get here, you just click that you want a new account. It'll help create your account for you. If you have a Google account already, which all of us do, we can actually do that really quick, which this one's actually linked up with my Fort Hays email. But you can do it really quick and get it to where it's ready for your uh, different accounts that are related actually back to our school accounts.